tear up. Meaning rip into pieces. Example, he tore up the letter after reading it. Synonyms: shred, rip apart, demolish. Cough up. Meaning to reluctantly give or pay something, especially money. Example, he had to cough up $100 for the parking fine. Synonyms: fork out, sell out, pay up. Chew out. Meaning to scold or reprimand someone severely. Example, the boss chewed him out for missing the deadline. Synonyms: ream out, dress down, berate. Knuckle down. Meaning to start working hard and seriously on a task or project. Example, she needs to knuckle down if she wants to finish the report on time. Synonyms: buckle down, get down to business, apply oneself. Phase out. Meaning to gradually remove or discontinue something. Example, the company decided to phase out the old product and introduce a new one. Synonyms: discontinue, eliminate, remove gradually. Rush up. Meaning to improve or refresh one's skills or knowledge in a particular area. Example, she's brushing up on her Spanish before her trip to Spain. Synonyms: polish, refine, enhance. Back off. Meaning to retreat or withdraw from a situation or argument. Example, I had to tell him to back off and give me some space. Synonyms: withdraw, retreat, step back. Pipe down. Meaning to become quiet or stop making noise. Example, could you please pipe down? I'm trying to concentrate. Synonyms: quiet down, hush, be silent. Hang out. Meaning, to spend time relaxing or socializing casually. Example, we usually hang out at the Cove on weekends. Synonyms: chill, relax, socialize. Rule out. Meaning, to exclude or eliminate something as a possibility. Example, the doctor ruled out any serious illness after the tests. Synonyms: exclude, eliminate, dismiss. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more videos. English class time.